Daddy, that's my spoon.
We should have taken his shirt off.
Oh, your hand's in the way.
He's, I don't know. Oh. I guess it's good enough.
What, did any make it in?
I don't think he swallowed, no. Good job, man. Hey, let's try another bite, as we'll call it.
Look at that face.
Is this Brooklyn gonna be enough? That was fun, wasn't it? Should I demonstrate? Like this. He's not gonna look at your home camera too much.